So, you think vegans are weak and skinny? Well, think again.
Alright, hit it.
You know, people often associate weakling and skinniness with vegans, with people who eat plants, rabbit food for other words. But let me show you something. I'm gonna go for a walk and put on my white shirt and go for a walk on the beach right now.
Did you know that the majority of the largest land animals ever in the history of the world were all herbivores? They all lived off of plants, like this big guy here.
Yeah, now I know what you're gonna say. Sure, dinosaurs were huge, but now they're extinct. What proof is that of a healthy herbivore's diet? Well, did you know that 10 of the largest land animals in the world are also herbivores? Here, let me get my clicker, I'll show you a slideshow I did. Check out that rhino. It eats nothing but plants all day. And how about a gorilla? Who's gonna ask this gorilla where he gets his protein? Horses! Horses are huge! Some of these horses, like Clydesdales, are up to 7 or 8 feet tall. They don't eat meat. They eat nothing but hay and plants, and they survive and thrive. And elephants! Think about how huge elephants are. Herbivores. They don't eat meat. They're vegan. My spirit animal, the hippo, the beautiful, docile, chubby little cute herbivore that, by the way, kills more humans in Africa than lions, which is pretty impressive, but it eats nothing but plants. It's vegan. All of these animals are vegan. You can get all of the nutrition, all the protein, all of the nutrients, everything you need from plants. So when you stop to think about animals like cows, which are huge, and you ask a vegan where they get their protein, they can answer, we get our protein from the same place your protein gets their protein, from plants. Comment, like, and subscribe.